There's something massive out there, 10-20 times Earth's mass, orbiting in darkness. It's never been photographed, but its gravitational fingerprints are everywhere.
Planet 9, the hypothetical massive planet beyond Neptune that astronomers Mike Brown and Konstantin Batygin proposed in 2016 based on orbital anomalies.
Extreme trans-Neptunian objects cluster at a specific angle and direction. That's not random. Something is shepherding them into similar orbits.
That angle? 18 degrees. The same signature we see in impact craters across the solar system. Planet 9 is the delivery mechanism.
Planet 9's proposed orbit, 400-800 astronomical units from the Sun, highly elliptical, taking 10,000-20,000 years to complete one revolution.
When it swings through its perihelion, closest approach to the Sun, its gravity disrupts the Oort Cloud and Kuiper belt, sending icy bodies inward.
Those icy bodies become the comet swarm. Some pass through harmlessly, others hit planets. The ones that hit us 12,500 years ago, those came from Planet 9's last passage.
The Oort Cloud contains trillions of icy bodies, loosely bound to the Sun at distances up to 100,000 AU. Planet 9 stirs this reservoir like a spoon in cosmic soup.
When Planet 9 last passed through, its gravity kicked objects out of stable orbits. Some fell sunward, others got ejected from the solar system entirely.
The ones that fell inward became the nitrogen ice comet swarm, Antarctic core, Mars' Hellas basin, Pluto's Sputnik Planitia, all fragments from the same delivery.
The 18-degree inclination is the key signature. Planet 9's orbit is inclined 18 degrees to the ecliptic. Objects it perturbs inherit that inclination.
Look at trans-Neptunian object orbits. Sedna, 2012 VP113, 2015 TG387, all have similar inclinations and perihelion alignments. That's Planet 9's calling card.
Why hasn't anyone found it yet? Because it's so far away and dark. At 600 AU, even a Neptune-sized planet reflects minimal sunlight.
Current telescopes struggle to detect it, but new facilities coming online, like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile, have the sensitivity to finally spot it.
If Planet 9 exists and has a 20,000-year orbit, then 12,500 years ago was its last perihelion passage. Next perihelion, 7,500 years from now.
That gives us time, but not unlimited time. The cycle repeats. When Planet 9 comes back, another swarm gets delivered. We need to be ready.